Hello viewers, we are going to see one weld problem. Okay, a shaft of dia 75 mm is welded to a plate with a fillet weld as shown in the figure. Okay, determine the size of the weld. You have to find out the size of the weld. Okay, so we take maximum shear stress as 80 Newton per millimeter square. Okay, maximum shear stress involved in the weld is 80 Newton per millimeter square. Okay, so this is the diagram. So welded to a plate. Okay, the rod welded to a plate. Okay, this is the weld. Okay, it is 75 dia. So diameter is 75 mm. This is and load is 5 kilonewton. The length is 120 mm. Okay. So what is the given data? P is equal to 5 kilonewtons. 5 kilonewton that is equal to 5000 Newton. Okay. Then diameter of the rod is 75 mm. And pi toe is equal to maximum stress involved. Okay. Allowed is 80 Newton per millimeter square. So what you have to find out to find weld size. Okay. Solution. So solution. Since the weld is subjected to shear stress as well as bending stress. Okay. So we have to find out the shear stress. Okay. So what is the shear stress? Load by direct load divided by area. Okay. Tau is equal to P by A. Area. Okay. So what is the load? 5000 Newton divided by what is the area? 0.7. This is 0.707 into H. Thickness of the weld and this perimeter of the rod. Okay. Pi d. That is equal to 30. That is equal to 730 divided by H. Tau is equal to 30 divided by H. Next we have to find out the bending stress. Sigma B is equal to MT divided by bending moment divided by section modulus. Okay. So what is bending moment? P into L. Section modulus is pi into T into D square by 4. Okay. So putting the values 5000 into 120 into 4 divided by pi into 0.707 H into D square is 75 square. So what we will get? We will get 192 divided by H. Okay. Now according to maximum shear stress theory. So what is the formula? Tau is equal 5 tau max equal to 1 by 2 root of sigma b square plus 4 into tau square. Okay, putting the values 80 is equal to 1 by 2. This is what is sigma b. Sigma b is 192. Okay, 192 by H. Okay, whole square plus 4 into 30 whole by h square. Okay, so what we will get, we will get 201 divided by 2 into h 80. Therefore h is equal to 1.25 mm. Okay, approximately 2 mm. Okay, okay, that's all. If you like the video, press like button and raise your doubt in the comment box. Okay, thank you.